Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome all in your studio 4D. As you see, this is a new update for your Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Look at, wonderful. Okay, look at the latest software update is ready to be installed. Look at software update information. Ooh, beautiful. Wonderful. What news into? The security of your device has been improved. Okay. Device stabilization improvement bug fixes. New and or extensive features. Okay. How to install this? Click here, install now and get ready. Click on install now and look at Android system update. Okay, the session started. Wait with me. Okay, the installation started on my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Okay, get ready. This is the update of this month. Okay, your phone will reboot many times. Don't worry, it's normal. Okay. Okay. 100%. Okay, reboot again. Get ready. Okay, Android is upgrading. Don't worry, it's normal. And welcome back. Yeah, this is a new update for your beautiful Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Finishing Android update. Look at lock screen. Look at this. Finishing Android update. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Wait with me. Okay. You can unlock your phone. Let me to put my pin. Welcome back. Okay, it's done. Okay, what is face? Let me to see settings, software update. Okay, download update manually. As you see, is update. Okay, December 8th 2018. All right, if you want to update your phone, you need to do this to download this. Okay, or you can receive a message to activate your phone, to update your phone. What is this? This is a message for me. Okay, 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 okay. Look at message. Another message appear here. Software update. The device has been updated. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and get ready for the next video. God bless you. Yes, okay. You scroll correct. Oh, look at another message. Software update. The latest updates have already been installed. Current version, you can see 1 November. Okay, thank you. It's good. What else? I can see here Samsung P. What is this? Okay, hello. Samsung P I've been blocked because there are problem. When you install, you will see this. This is the update also for Samsung Pay. You will see. Okay. Wait for the update. Okay. Downloading Samsung Pay. Look at this. Okay. Make fast and secure payments with your device virtually anywhere you use your cards. Okay, installing. Okay. All right. What I can do now? Close all. Normally, when you do this, you can obtain Samsung Pay. Okay, let's go to open Samsung P application right now. To this, okay, to open. Okay, look at temporarily unavailable. Restart your phone and try again. Contact Samsung Pay customer service is service continue. Okay, open again. Samsung Pay is the same problem. Okay, Samsung Pay not okay. It's not. Why it's not working? Okay, thank you. Call customer services. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. My phone is updated. Samsung Pay to work. It's not the problem of the update. Samsung Pay have met a mini problem. Is the fact of this. Okay, Samsung Pay. This is my last video. Big mobile on Galaxy Note 8. You can watch this video. Get ready on GNANGSTUDIO 4D to this, and welcome back. Subscribe right now for the next video. God bless you. Look at this. Many videos, many new videos for you. Galaxy Note 8 Fortnite Season 7 full gameplay. Alright, thank you for watching. Subscribe for the next video. God bless you. Subscribe here and help me to obtain 1000 subscribers here. God bless you. Let's go.